In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the video size in Shotcut. And to do this, I'm going to show you two methods that you can achieve this. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now to get started, I have here a video clip, and as you can see, it is in the aspect ratio of 16:9. So I may want to make this video small or even much bigger. So to do so, just go and click on the video and then look for the filters option, which is this. And here you have filters, and then you can also find filters here, so choose any of them. So if I click on filters, add a filter by tapping on this plus icon, and then look for the option called size, and here you have it, size, position and rotate. So click on it, and now once you click on it, you can see we have now adjustment option with our mouse. So if I move this mouse to the edge of the corner, you can see we have a double arrow that you can use to resize this video clip. So to change the size, I can just drag it from any side. I can even decide to do it from this other side, and then just move it to the size that you want. So this is best if you want to use the video to overlay it over any other video. This one will appear on top, and then just move it to any position you want, and that is okay. So that is one of the way you can change the position or the size of the video. If you want to enlarge in this image, maybe now instead of being small, you want it to be much bigger, you can as well use the same process. Just go to filters and then add filter, choose size, position and rotate. Instead of now resizing it to a smaller size, you can move this out to make it much bigger as you wish. And as you can see, now you can move it to a position that you like. Alternatively, if you want to turn this into a mobile format form that is 9:16, just go ahead and look for settings, and we have settings option here. Under this, go and select video mode, and then down here you will see an option called custom. Go ahead and click on add, and then here we can see you can change the aspect ratio. So currently the video aspect ratio is set to 16:9. To make it mobile based, you can go ahead and change this to 9:16 by just changing these figures. And here we go. So once you're done, just click on OK. And as you can see, it has changed the format. However, the problem is the video is still wide. So to fix this, just go ahead again and look for size and settings. And here we go. And add a filter, then select size, position and rotate. So from here, just scale this up to cover this space. And here we go. And then once you have scaled it up, go ahead and move it at the center to focus on the spot that you want. If I play it, you can see that size has been changed, and now we have a more linear video. So that's how you change the video size in Shotcut using these few simple steps. If you like this video, kindly watch the next video, and also consider liking and subscribing to this video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.